viewers, welcome back to Madras Tala Madras. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா எஸ்பிஐ பிஓ 2021 நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ எஸ்பிஐ பிஓவோட செலெக்ஷன் அண்ட் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் பேட்டர்ன் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனலை நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காத லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை மறக்காமல் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போடுற அப்டேட்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து ரீச் ஆகும். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து எஸ்பிஐ பிஓவோட செலெக்ஷன் அண்ட் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் பேட்டர்ன் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் லிங்க். So State Bank of India has released a notification for the recruitment of provisionary officers in different branches of the State Bank of India. So online la apply பண்ற process பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it starts from today, that is 5th of October 5/10/2021. The last day apply பண்றதுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is till 25th of October, that is 25/10/2021. The starting day is from today 5/10/2021 and the last date is 25th of October, that is 25/10/2021. So now we are going to see the age limit for attending the SBO PO exam. The age limit of the candidates should be between the age of 21 years to 30 years. So the age limit should be from 21 years to 30 years. The age of the candidates will be relaxed as per the norms of the board. Now let us see the educational qualification for applying provisionary officer of the State Bank of India. Graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by the central government. And those who are in the final year of the semester of the graduation may also apply provisionally, subject to the condition that if called for interview they have to produce proof of having passed the graduation examination on or before 31st/12/2021. Candidates having integrated dual degree, that is IDD certificate, should ensure that the date of passing the IDD is on or before 31st/12/2021. Candidates possessing qualification of chartered accountant or cost accountant may also apply. Now let us see the fees details for SBI PO. Application fees will be 750 for general EWS OBC candidates and nil for SC ST PWD candidates. So for general EWS and OBC candidates have to pay 750, and for the SC ST PWD candidates they no need to pay for the exam. Application fees once paid will not be refunded on any account nor scan. It will be held in reverse for any other examination or selection. Now let us see the selection process for SBI PO. The candidates who applied for this recruitment will be subjected to the selection process, that is it contains 3 phases. The first one is a preliminary examination, the second one is the main examination, and the third one is the GD or interview. The 3 phases are preliminary examination, main examination and GD or interview. Next, 0.25 marks will be deducted for every question attempted wrong by the candidate in SBI PO mains exam. In the main examination, 0.25 marks, that is 0.25 marks, will be deducted if the candidate attempt the question wrong. Now let us see the pattern of prelims exam. The prelims exam has 3 pattern. The first one is the English language, where the 30 questions will be asked for 30 marks. It takes time for 20 minutes to solve it. Next is numerical ability. In numerical ability there will be 35 questions for 35 marks. So we need 20 minutes to solve the numerical ability, and the reasoning ability they will give 35 questions for 35 marks. It takes 20 minutes to solve the reasoning ability. The total of 100 marks will be given for prelims exam. The total time will be 1 hour. Now let us see the pattern of the main exam. The SBI PO main exam will be comprised of objective and descriptive section. That is, the first one will be the reasoning and computer aptitude. The number of questions will be 45 and the maximum mark is 60. The duration for reasoning and computer aptitude will be for 60 minutes. The next is the data analysis and interpretation. that is number of questions will be 35 marks, maximum number of questions will be 35 and maximum marks will be 60, and the duration will be given 45 minutes. Next is the general economy banking awareness. Number of questions will be 40, maximum marks will be 40 and the duration is 35 minutes. The last one is the English language. Number of questions will be given 35, maximum marks will be 40 and the duration will be 40 minutes. So total number of questions will be 155 and the maximum marks will be 200 and the duration will be 3 hours. Descriptive type, the number of questions will be 2 and maximum mark is 50 for 30 minutes. So the SBI PO main exams will comprise of objective and descriptive section. Now let us see the tentative schedule of events is as follows. Now online registration including editing, modification of application by candidates starts from 5/10/2021, that is 5th of October, and the last date is 25th of October, that is 25/10/2021. Payment of application fees is from 5th of October to 25th of October, that is 5/10/2021 to 25/10/2021. Download of preliminary examination call letter is from 1st and 2nd week of November 2021 onwards. Phase 1 online preliminary examination will be held on November or December 2021. Declaration of results of preliminary examination will be by December 2021. Download of main examination call letter, that is second phase of examination call letter, will be on 2nd and 3rd week of December 2021 onwards. Phase 2 online main examination is from December 2021. Declaration of results of main examination is by January 2022 and download of phase 3 call letter is by 1st and 2nd week of February 2022 onwards. Phase 3 will be interview or group discussion, and group discussion will be 2nd and 3rd week of February 2022. Declaration of final result will be by February or March 2022. Pre-examination training for SC, ST, religious minority community candidates. Download of call letters for pre-examination training will be first week of November 2021 onwards. Conduct of pre-examination training will be by 2nd week of November 2021. Now, how to apply for SBI PO Recruitment 2021? Go to the official website of SBI, go to the Careers tab and check current openings. Click Recruitment of Provisionary Officers. Read the job description carefully. If you are eligible, then click Apply online link. Fill your details and submit. Take a printout of your application for future use. Go to the official website of SBI. Then second step is go to the Careers tab and then check current openings. Click Recruitment of Provisionary Officer. Read the job description carefully. We are going to apply for SBI PO Recruitment 2021. If you are eligible, then click Apply online link. Fill your details and submit. Take a printout of your application for future use. The official website of SBI for applying SBI PO Recruitment is. So this is the link for going for the SBI page and for the careers of the SBI page. In that you can apply for the SBI PO Provisionary Officers Recruitment. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be useful for those who are applying for the State Bank of India Provisionary Officers. Thank you once again. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.